Hello and welcome to Bosswala. I am Tanisha Sharma and today I am going to tell you about 6 major changes that already happened from March 1st, 2025, and that is going to impact you financially. This March is going to bring you about a number of significant changes in your life that is going to impact numerous aspects of your daily life. Updates to the regulations consisting of nominations, LPG cylinder prices, FD rates, UPI payments, tax adjustments in GST security are among the modifications that have took effect on March 1st, 2025. Now let me give you a breakdown about all these changes. First, let's talk about SEBI's new rule from March. Now, in order to revamp the nomination procedure for mutual funds folios and demat accounts, the Security and Exchange Board of India has set new guidelines. The revised regulations are already in effect from March 1st, 2025 and are intended to make asset transfer easier, particularly in an event of investor's death or illness. Now let me also tell you about the key changes investors need to know. First, investors can now nominate up to 10 individuals for mutual fund and demat accounts. Second, providing a nominee will be mandatory for single holder accounts to prevent unclaimed assets. Investors must provide detailed nominee information including PAN, last 4 digits of Aadhaar, or a driving license number. Third, in joint accounts, assets will transfer automatically to surviving account holders under the survivorship rule. Now let's talk about the second big change, LPG prices. The oil marketing company OMC has implemented a hike of 6 rupees per cylinder on Saturday. This increased the effective price of rupees 19 kg LPG cylinder to rupees 1,803 per cylinder in New Delhi. This hike was announced across the country while the price of domestic cooking gas cylinder remains unchanged. Also, do comments down and let us know that what is the current LPG price in your city or state. Now let's talk about the third important change, that is in FD rates. Recently, many banks have made adjustments in their FD rates, and similar changes can be seen in this month 2025 March, which can affect your savings. So as changes in repo rate has been seen, change in interest rates are also visible to people. Well, if we talk about special FDs, the customers looking to lock up their funds with higher interest rates can consider investing in these special deposits before the deadline. The banks which are offering special deposits are SBI, State Bank of India, Indian Bank, IDBI Bank, and Punjab and Sindh Bank. So these are the banks offering you an opportunity to lock up your funds with higher interest rates. Now let's talk about the fourth major change, UPI payments rule to change for insurance premiums. UPI users can now started from 1st of March 2025 can continue to pay insurance premiums through blocked accounts under the Bima ASBA facility. This allows policy holders to block funds for insurance payments, ensuring timely payment only after the policy is accepted. If the insurer rejects the proposal, the blocked amount will be unblocked. Now, the change number 5, tax adjustments and relief for taxpayers. Several tax-related changes has been made from the start of March, that is 1st March 2025. Tax slabs and TDS tax deducted at source limits are likely to be revised, offering relief to taxpayers. And the tax regime has revised the norms from March 1st, 2025. So if you have chosen the old tax regime, ensure that your tax savings investments under Section 80C, 80D, 80G and others are made before March 31st to maximize tax benefits. Also, individuals can file their updated income tax return if they have made any mistake in the previous ITR or missed adding some income to their return. The last date for filing the updated ITR is March 31, 2025. Taxpayers can file the ITR for 2 years post the end of the assessment year. As such, investors and taxpayers must keep a tab of these financial changes and deadlines to make better fiscal decisions and plan their year ahead. Now the sixth change that took place. GST portal security enhancements. The GST portal will become more secure with multi-factor authentication. Business owners will need to update their IT systems to comply with the new security measures, ensuring a safer online environment for GST-related processes. Well, these are the 6 major changes that are already in effect from March 1st, 2025 that are going to affect you financially. They will have a direct impact on your taxes, your payments, your finances and your security. It is very important to be informed to manage these changes effectively. Well, this is it for today. I hope you're gonna bring out the full potential of these 6 changes in your life financially to make better financial decisions. Also, if you like this video, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will see you next time. And to learn more on opportunity, idea, tool or strategy, download the Bosswala app now. Bosswala app helps you learn the practical strategies and framework directly from successful business owners through video courses and one-on-one video calls. So download Bosswala app now.
Bosswala. Be the boss.